and today I will teach you how to book your New Zealand practical driving exam. So, this is the final step on how you can get your full New Zealand driver's license. And you can only book practical driving exam when you pass your driving theory exam. And regarding the video that I made about the process of driving theory exam, I will include the link on the description below of this video. So, there are details you need to fill in for booking your practical driving test online. And the temporary license you will get when you pass your driving theory test has the information you will use to book a practical driving test online. So first, go to the New Zealand Transport Agency website and look for the Book a Practical Driver License Test. When you see it at the bottom of the website, click Start and fill in the driver's license number, driver's license version,